Hello, welcome to my space. I'm Oni, TikTok ad expert that helps you maximize every kobo you spend running ads. And I've helped thousands of people with my free and paid trainings combined. Over 90% of those who reach out to me to either complain that their ads are not delivering or that their accounts have been suspended are making at least 4 of these 8 common mistakes. Some come to my DM after their accounts have been terminated, asking for help when it's already too late. All I can do at that point for you is to show you how to start afresh and avoid these 8 common mistakes. Before I go ahead to show you these common mistakes so you can avoid them, it's important for you to understand that TikTok introduced ad because they wanted more of your money. So if they are rejecting your ad, it certainly means that you are doing something wrong. And sometimes I've had people come to tell me that they have learned how to run TikTok ad from elsewhere and so they know what they are doing. But you see, that student that got 30 marks and failed knows something right, but he doesn't know enough. So in all my trainings, I take time to go into details with everything so that I can equip you with everything that you need to succeed. And beyond that, I keep furnishing you with updates so that you still succeed in the future. So I say there are 8 common mistakes. Now let me show you mistake number 4 and number 5. Mistake number 4 that you must avoid is starting to run ad immediately after uploading your video. The right thing to do is after uploading your video, you should give it at least 10 to 15 minutes and check if it's eligible for the For You page. If it's not, then 3 things will happen. Number 1, your ad may never be approved. Number 2, your ad may be approved but not delivering, and because it's not delivering, then number 3 applies. The cost on your ad will be very high. Now, even after your video has been confirmed to be eligible for the For You page, you also need to check from time to time, especially when it's not delivering or when the cost is high, to know whether they have removed it from that. Now remember, we're talking about 8 common mistakes and I'm just picking mistake number 4 and mistake number 5, right? Mistake number 4 is running your ad immediately after uploading your video. Now, mistake number 5 is forgetting to exclude people who are under 18 years of age in your ad targeting. As a rule, TikTok doesn't want you to target minors with commercial ad. And secondly, even if you target them, they don't have the purchasing power to buy your products. Now, there is a setting here on TikTok where you can set this once and for all, so you don't have to keep repeating this. But for me, I choose to set it for every video I want to run ad with. So set it per video. Just when you're about to run ad, get to custom and you see where to select the age range, okay? So do that before you continue with your ad. So 8 common mistakes that can get your TikTok ad account in trouble or you may even lose it, okay? So we've just seen mistake number 4 and mistake number 5. Don't wait till your ad account is terminated before rushing to my DM. Click on the button around this video now to join my TikTok ad mastery training. Let me see why TikTok ad won't favor you. I'll also share the remaining 6 points with you. To get the best with TikTok ad, you need to get it right from the setup. So in this training, you'll be learning how to optimize your page and your videos before running ads so that you can get engagement beyond just views. I'm going to be showing you how to discover hidden interests and keywords that will make your ads stand out. You'll be learning how to set up custom replies and automate them like the one you see on my bio, such that when people DM you on TikTok, they will get instant replies to know what next to do, even if you are not online to attend to them. You will also learn from me how to set up effective WhatsApp link that people can click and get through to you, not the one they will click and they will be asked to download WhatsApp, which they already have on their phone. Now with TikTok ad, you can with a little amount get as many followers and video views as you want. If you are running ad to sell a product, whether your own product or an affiliate product, I'm going to be sharing with you tips that will help you sell with ease. I will also show you TikTok recommendation for targeting specific location with your ad. This one is a special bonus for only those who enroll in this training before this weekend. If you enroll before this weekend, you will be getting the full package at 60% discount off. Once you enroll, an email will be sent to you with a link to the course area so that you can gain instant access and join other students in class. To enroll, click on any link you see around this video or on my bio. See you in class.